Since 1951, Flextool has been a market leader in the supply of quality concrete and construction equipment. Flextool offers a full lineup of products to help you complete the job from start to finish, including a comprehensive range of concrete power finishing equipment. The PortaTrowel is easy to store and transport, but most importantly, simple to use. The PortaTrowel is easy to assemble. Simply connect up to 3 clip-together handles specific to the size of the concrete slab, and it's ready to use. The portable and lightweight design improves operator safety and also allows for earlier commencement of concrete finishing when compared to heavier walk-behind units, as the PortaTrowel can be operated from outside the formwork, eliminating the need to set foot on the concrete. The handle design allows for optimized control from up to 6 meters away, meaning you don't have to wait as long for the concrete to dry before beginning the finishing process. The unique, easy control directional steering function allows for precise movement of the PortaTrowel by twisting the handle from side to side. The Flextool PortaTrowel has multi-use combination blades and a blade pitch function of up to 25 degrees. This allows the PortaTrowel to be used for initial floating of the wet concrete right through to final finishing. The Flextool PortaTrowel is fitted with a Honda GX35 4-stroke engine for hassle-free operation and low engine emissions. The PortaTrowel also has a robust, durable and fully sealed inline planetary gearbox for extended operation.